we have finished exponent and powers yesterday. So now we are going to start with the next chapter of the syllabus, that is chapter number 11, mensuration. 11.1 and 11.2, that's been deleted from your syllabus. So we will start with 11.3. So before starting 11.3, let us see some formulas and some concepts that we are going to use to solve a certain type of questions, right? So first of all, in exercise 11.3 and 11.4, we will discuss three geometrical 3D figures. One is cube, another is cuboid, and the third one is cylinder. Before starting the chapter, you should know about the certain formulas of cube, cuboid, and cylinder. As far as cube and cuboid are concerned, I can show you this chalk box. You can well imagine that this is the example of cube, cuboid. दोनों तरह से हम इसको देख सकते हैं. So first of all, I will discuss cuboid. Right? First geometrical 3D figure that I am going to discuss, that is cuboid. See it very carefully. So we did it in the visualizing solid shapes earlier classes also, that this cuboid, it is having 6 faces: front face, back face, upper face, lower face, right face, and the left face. Right? So it is having, we will discuss 3 formulas regarding cuboid. One is its curved surface area, which is also known as lateral surface area. CSA is regarded as curved surface area and LSA regarded as lateral surface area. Right? So what is curved surface area? You see, when I am talking about this cuboid, it is having 6 faces, I have told you. Now, as far as the curved surface area is concerned, curved surface is made by the curved portion of the figure. When I am talking about curved surface area or the lateral surface area, that is formed by the curved portion of the figure. So if I am looking at this curved portion of the figure, this is containing the face at the back, the face at the front, the face at the right, and face at the left. It doesn't contain the face at the top and face at the bottom. So if I make cuboid here like this, you see it carefully. So you know this, the way this side is increasing, this is called length, and the way this side is increasing, this is called breadth, and the way this side is increasing, that is called the height. Right? So this is the length, this is breadth, and this is the height of the cuboid. That means if we see this is the length, this is the height, length, height, and this is the width. Length in this sense, height in this sense, and width in this sense. This we know. Right? So पहले तो हम 4 faces, सारे faces के बारे में बात करते हैं. If I talk about this bottom and top face, this is the bottom face and this is the top face. This bottom face is including L and B. So what will be area? Area of bottom and the top face. And you know, in case of cuboid, each face, it is having which shape? It is rectangular in shape. हर एक फेस की शेप जो है क्यूबॉइड के केस में हमारे पास रेक्टेंगल होती है. राइट? सो बॉटम और टॉप फेस की अगर एरिया की बात करें, रेक्टेंगल है तो रेक्टेंगल की एरिया लेंथ इनटू ब्रेड्थ, दैट इज L इनटू B. राइट? तो वहां पे हमारे पास L इनटू B जो है वो फॉर्मूला हो गया. बॉटम एंड टॉप फेस में L एंड B इंक्लूड है. अब हम बात करें, this is the right face and this is the left face. This is H, this is B. So area of right left face, this is equal to B into H. Each दोनों का right का B into H और left का भी B into H. And when we are talking about this area of this back face, जिसमें कि L and H आ रहे हैं, और front face जिसमें कि again L and H आ रहे हैं, you will say area of front and back face equal to L into H. Area of front and back face, this is equal to L into H. सबसे पहले तो this is very important, rather this is more important that we should know the area of the top and the bottom face. Top and bottom face के areas में L and B use होता है. This you have to remember very carefully. When I am talking about area of the top, it will be including length into breadth. When I am talking about the area of the base, it will be including length into breadth. बाकी में तो आपको ना भी थोड़ा बहुत पता होगा तो चलेगा, क्योंकि टॉप एंड बॉटम जो है ये क्वेश्चन में डिफरेंशिएट होंगे, राइट? सो वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया एंड द लेटरल सरफेस एरिया ऑफ द cuboid. So you know, in the lateral surface area or the curved surface area, as I will show you the figure and I am telling you, it is including the faces which are around. तो आस-पास वाले चार फेस हैं. That means you will be having, इसमें अपर और लोअर फेस छूट जाएंगे, राइट एंड लेफ्ट वाले दो फेस BH प्लस BH एंड फ्रंट एंड बैक वाले दो फेस LH एंड LH. BH प्लस BH राइट टर्म्स 2BH, LH प्लस LH 2LH. यहाँ से 2H कॉमन अंदर आया B प्लस L, और हम इसको ऐसे याद रखते हैं 2 into L plus B multiplied by H. So as far as the curved surface area of cuboid is concerned, you will be having 2 into length plus breadth multiplied by height, and it is very much obvious that this area, it is including only the area of 4 faces of cuboid, that is right, left, front and back. It will not include the upper and the roof and the base. दोनों चीजें roof and base इसमें include नहीं होंगी. Right, left and front back faces will be included in the curved surface area of cuboid. Right? और एक बात और याद रखोगे, that the bottom and the top face, they are having L and B in their you can say dimensions. L and B जो है वो उनकी dimension का हिस्सा होंगे bottom and top face का. Yes, Vidam?
मैम मुझे
But you are not audible. Repeat your doubt.
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम.
हाँ जी बोलो.
मैम मुझे लेटरल सरफेस एरिया समझ नहीं आया, क्या आप फिर से रिपीट कर दोगे?
Lateral surface area is the area of all the faces which are around the figure. जो कि साइड वाले हिस्सों को, कर्व्ड हिस्से को कवर करता है. It is not including the upper face, not including the lower face. जिसको सारा समझ आया बहुत अच्छी बात है, जिसको नहीं है इतना पता चल रहा वो कम से कम फॉर्मूला याद रख ले. The curved surface area or the lateral surface area of the cuboid will be derived by the formula 2 into L plus B multiplied by H, and it includes the area of the 4 faces. Now come to total surface area. Total surface area of cuboid. Total surface area of cuboid. When we talk about total surface area, it means now we will include the area of all the faces: upper, lower, right, left, front, back, सारे के सारे faces, right? तो upper lower में LB आएगी, right left में BH BH, front back में HL areas add हो गए. So LB plus LB, this becomes 2LB. BH 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 HL HL 2HL. So you take 2 as common. LB plus BH plus HL. Inside it will be left as LB plus BH plus HL. How you will remember this? Very easy. 2 total surface area का formula 2. इसमें भी 2 है, और में भी 2 है. Total surface area में भी 2 है. Start with L and keep on going with the next. You can say letter of the dimension. 2 LB B पे खत्म. Start with B. BH and at H. Start at H. HL. So you will be having 2 into LB plus BH plus HL, that is the total surface area of the cuboid. So remember these two formulas very minutely, only then you can do the questions based on that. If you are not knowing the formula, you can't do the calculations for the different questions. So 2 into L plus B into H, this is the curved surface area, and 2 into LB plus BH plus HL, this is your total surface area. ये आपका हो गया total surface area का formula. And remember, when we are talking curved surface area, we are not talking about the roof and the bottom. But when we are talking about total surface area, that means we are talking about all the 6 faces. हम सारे के सारे 6 faces की बात कर रहे हैं जब हम total surface area की बात करते हैं. Keep this thing in mind. And moreover, these two formulas, they are to be known. One thing more you have to remember. See, this is 2 into L plus B into H. What you can say concept is working behind the curved surface area of cuboid. 2 into L plus B multiplied by H. See, this is your base of cuboid. This rectangle is the base of the cuboid. I can show you this rectangle. This is the base of the cuboid, right? And this is the height of cuboid. And this rectangle, which is the base of the cuboid, it is containing 2 dimensions. One is a length, another is a breadth, right? So the concept which is working behind this curved surface areas formula, that is perimeter of base multiplied by height. आपको देखो, this is the base which is rectangle, its length is L and breadth is B. So what is the perimeter of rectangle? 2 into L plus B, right? So I am writing here 2 into L plus B. Multiply the height, that means H. This will be H. 2 into length plus breadth multiplied by height, that is H, right? Perimeter of base multiplied by height. Why I am telling you this way? Otherwise, you remember it like 2 into L plus B into H. That is okay, right? But why I am telling you this way? Sometimes in question it is written, you are given perimeter of the base and the height, and you have to find the curved surface area, and that will be 2 into L plus B multiplied by H. So remember, you have to remember the formula like 2 into L plus B multiplied by H, but also remember it that curved surface area is obtained by using basic formula perimeter of base into height. Suppose in the exam it is given to you that perimeter of the base is 20 and height is 6. This is perimeter of the base, this is height is 6. Find the curved surface area. What you will do? You will multiply these two. Perimeter and height will be multiplied. You will get the curved surface area. So always remember that the concept, the formula which is working behind the curved surface area, that is perimeter of the base into height. Is it okay? Answer same aayega, but sometimes in the question statement is like this, so accordingly you have to deal. Yes, Rhythm? Sure. Anyhow. So what the concept is working behind the total surface area? Concept that is working behind the total surface area is that the total surface area is the sum of areas of all the faces. जितने भी आपके पास क्यूबॉइड के फेसेस हैं, जब आप उनके सभी के एरियाज को जब आप ऐड कर दोगे, that will give you the total surface area of the cuboid. That means in total surface area of all the faces are added, and in curved surface area, the area perimeter of the base multiplied by height is used. Hanji Raghav Dhal, people are raising hand in between and then without any interaction, they are putting their hand down. Hanji Raghav, what do you want to ask?
Ma'am, can you please the difference between curved surface area and lateral surface area?
They are same. They are same. One of the same thing.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Right? So these are the two formulas. First figure we are discussing cuboid, but in the lateral surface area, curved surface area, another is the total surface area. Two formulas we have discussed. Curved surface area, behind curved surface area, the concept that is working, that is perimeter of the base into height. That is 2 into L plus P, perimeter of the base multiplied by height. Right? Now the third thing, actually the next exercise is about volume, but I am not considering the formula separately. मैंने अभी आपको इसके formulas बता देने हैं, साथ साथ ही volume का formula भी हम discuss करेंगे, that what is the volume of cuboid. Volume of cuboid, right? चलिए, third thing we are going to discuss is as I told you that curved surface area is derived by using perimeter of base into height. Similarly, volume of cuboid, volume of certain 3D object is obtained by using area of base into height. Now you see this is the base, rectangle is the base whose length is L and breadth is B. So what is the area of the base? You know, rectangle whose length is L and breadth is B, its area is L into B multiplied by H. So this is the volume of the cuboid, that is L into B into H. Volume of the cuboid, L into B into H. How it is derived? By multiplying area of the base into height. By multiplying area of the base into height. When you multiply, why I am telling you in this way, otherwise you can remember it like L into B into H is the area volume of the cuboid. But sometimes in exam it is given area of base is equal to 2 centimeter square and height is equal to 6. Find the volume. Then you should know that volume is obtained by multiplying area of the base into height, that is 2 into 6 and that will be 12, right? So the concept which is working behind the curved surface area, that is equal to perimeter of the base into height, and the concept which is working behind the volume of a cuboid, volume of a 3D object, that is equal to area of the base into height. Remember this thing very carefully. So in nutshell, I want to conclude that we have done 3 formulas, one for the curved surface area and the lateral surface area, another of the cuboid, that is 2 into L plus P into H. Another we have done total surface area of cuboid and that is equal to 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. And the third one we have done the volume of cuboid, that is L into B into H. So these are the 3 formulas for cuboid we have discussed. And you know the formulas, they are going to be the backbone of the chapter. So do remember this formula very carefully and write it by this or that way. You have to remember them very carefully. Now come to the second figure, that is cube. The only difference between cuboid and cube is that in case of cuboid, every face is a rectangle, but in case of cube, every face is a square. This is the major difference. Rest are the same. In case of cube, all the faces, they are square. And in case of cuboid, all the faces are rectangle. When all the faces are square, it means all the sides will be equal. So we are taking all the sides to be A each. Either I am talking about length or breadth or height, everything will be A each. Because in cube, every you can say face is a square shaped figure. So we'll take all the faces, length of all the faces, all the edges to be the same, and that I'm taking to be A, right? So again, we are going to discuss the same formulas, curved surface area, or you can say lateral surface area. So, you know, again, I'm showing you the same. Let us suppose that all the edges, all the faces are square, and we have to add the areas of all the curved faces. All the faces which are revolving around, they are forming the curved. So we will add the area of all the 4 faces which are moving around, right? No, we are leaving the upper face and the lower face. Please mind it, right? So as each face is a square and I'm taking the side to be A, so the area will be A square of the first face, second face, third face, fourth face. So A square 4 times, this is 4A square. So you will remember that curved surface area or the lateral surface area of a cube is equal to 4A square, right? Now coming to total surface area of cube. So when we are talking about total surface area of cube, again, as I discussed in case of cuboid, when we are talking about total surface area, not only the area of these 4 faces, right, left, front, back, but the area of the upper and the lower face will also be included, because total surface area, it will be obtained when all the 6 faces will be included. The room in which I am standing, you can see that this room will be completed only when the 6 faces are there, because bottom is to be there, otherwise where I will stand, है ना? Top should be there, otherwise you can see that rainy season is there, so it will be difficult for me to stand in a room without roof, right? So cuboid के सारे faces जो हैं, they will be included in the total surface area. 6 faces are there, so area of the 6 faces will be added, and each face area is A square, as it is a square, side square. So this will be 6A square. This is the total surface area of cube. Now this is, you can say curved surface area, this is total surface area. You know, here also that concept is satisfied, that perimeter of base multiply height will give you the curved surface area. Perimeter of base multiply height will give you the curved surface area. Can anyone tell me what will be the perimeter of the base in case of cube? Raise your hand if you are knowing. Perimeter of the base in case of cube. Yes, hurry up. Amarjot, can I ask you? Amarjot Singh. Yes, Amarjot. Unmute yourself.
4A square. 4A square.
I'm talking about perimeter of the base. What kind of shape base is having?
Square.
Square. And what side we have taken?
Side.
Side की value हमने क्या
A into
We have taken side to be A, right? So what will be the perimeter of square with side A? Yes, Amarjot. Somil, you tell. Somil. Perimeter of the square, we have
4A.
4A. बिल्कुल ठीक. Perimeter of the square is 4A, height is A, and when you will multiply, you will reach the same formula, 4A square. So sometimes in exam, it can also be given like this, that you are given the perimeter of the base to be 4 and the another edge of the cube to be 6. Then what will be the curved surface area? Then you will just multiply the perimeter of the base and the height. And the total surface area, you know better. This is the area of the all 6 faces which are included. Right? Now come to volume, third. If we are talking about volume of cube, then again the same concept is working behind. That volume is equal to, जैसे curved surface area is perimeter of the base into height. Similarly, volume is equal to area of base into height. Area of base, and you know this is square, and I'm taking the side to be A. What will be the area of the square with side A? A square. into height कितनी है इस क्यूब की? a. So what is the volume? a cube. So in nutshell, you have to remember the three formulas as you have learned in case of cuboid, that the curved surface area is 4a square, total surface area is 6a square, and volume is a cube. The curved surface area and the total surface area, they are in centimeter square unit. Square unit में होएगा, centimeter हो meter हो कुछ भी हो, it will be in square units. It will be in square units. And the volume, it will be in the cubic unit. List of 6 formulas, they are being written in front of you. You might have noted down on your notebook, and you have to remember them very carefully, very sincerely, because they are the base of the chapter. These formulas, they are the base of the chapter. So now one more figure we have to discuss, that is the cylinder, third 3D figure. Third figure that we are discussing, we are going to discuss, that is cylinder. So water bottle, it is example of a cylinder in front of you, right? So how many faces cylinder is having? We discussed it earlier. It is having 3 faces. One is a curved face, another is a circular face upper, and circular face down. So cylinder is having 3 faces. Let us discuss its curved surface area or the lateral surface area. So if I make figure of the cylinder here, I will discuss 2 dimensions very carefully here. One is R, radius of the base. This is the center and this is the radius of the base. Another is the height. H is the height of the cylinder. Right? We are going to discuss curved surface area or the lateral surface area of the cylinder. So what concept is working behind the curved surface area or the lateral surface area? This is perimeter of base into height. And you know, when we are talking about a cylindrical object, the base and the top, they are in the form of circle. They are in the form of circle. Right? So perimeter of the base. This base, if this is a circle and I am taking its radius to be R, what will be the perimeter of the base? Base is a circle with radius R. Anji Rhythm, you tell.
2 into pi r.
2 pi r will be the perimeter of the base. Very good. And height of the cylinder, I am taking it to be h. So the formula is becoming 2 pi rh. This is the formula for the curved surface area of the cylinder. That is 2 pi rh. Right? Now let us start with the next. That is the total surface area of cylinder. See, bete, when we are talking about the total surface area, as I told you, that we have to add the areas of all the faces. All the faces, one is a curved face around, another is a circle at the bottom, circle at the top. सबके areas add होंगे. Curved surface area अभी आपने निकाला. This is 2 pi rh plus area of the base. Base is a circle of radius r. So area will be pi r square. And area of the top, this is again a circle of radius r. This will be pi r square. सारे के सारे एरियाज ऐड हो जाएंगे टू गेट द टोटल सरफेस एरिया दैट इज कर्व्ड द अपर बेस एंड द लोअर बेस. So you will be having 2 pi RH, like terms are to be added, pi r square, 2 pi r square. So you will be having 2 pi r common. Inside it is H plus R. This is the total surface area of cylinder, 2 pi R into H plus R. Third is volume. Just a minute, बस ये discuss करके I am finishing the lecture. Volume. Volume के लिए हमने क्या concept सोचा, derive किया? This is area of base into height. Area of base. Base was circle with radius r. What will be its area? Pi r square into height h. This is the volume of the cylinder. So you are having 9 formulas with you. 3 of cylinder, 3 cuboid, 3 cube. So tomorrow you will remember these 9 formulas. Then we will start with the exercise 11.3. Okay. Till then take care. So here I'm going to end the meeting.